If there's one drink that's perfect for those hot dog days of summer, it's good old-fashioned lemonade. We all know how simple it is to make. You know, we've got lemons, sugar, and water. But what happens if we upgrade it to make the best damn lemonade ever? Seriously, this is going to be the best homemade lemonade you've ever tasted. It's a real flavor bomb. It takes a bit of time to prep, so let's get into it and make something called Oleo-Saccharum. Oleo-Saccharum is Latin for oil sugar and is simply the name given to the syrup made by using sugar to extract the fragrant natural oils in citrus peels. Oleo-Saccharum is nothing new. And this homemade lemonade we're going to make has been around for some time. Even Chef John from Food Wishes makes it. For some reason though, everyone seems to be hooked on that store-bought stuff. Yeah, I know it's convenient, but taste-wise, there's no comparison. Oleo-Saccharum has been used in punch making since 1670 and found in a very early book on mixed drinks, the 1827 Oxford Nightcaps by Richard Cook. There he details how to extract the juice from the rind of 3 lemons by rubbing loaf sugar on them. So all you have to do is wash 6 organic wax-free lemons and get to rinding. If you don't have organic lemons, or you can't find them, you could buy regular lemons, but they usually have a wax on them, and you want to get rid of that wax, and that's simple to do. All you have to do is grab a pot of boiling water on the stove, throw your lemons in, maybe 10 seconds or so, and pull them out and rub them down with a paper towel to remove all that wax. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Okay, let's start rinding. Well, let's do it. It's going to take a bit. You want to rind so you don't get very much of that white pith, okay? And just put them in the bowl. Yeah, let's put this to a clock wipe because you don't want to sit here watching me rind lemons, do you? You do? No. Clock wipe! And you don't want to get that much white pith, you see. You want to keep it nice and clean like that because that white pith is pithing me off. No, it's bitter, okay? It's bitter. Anyway, we're down to our last lemon and then we can start making our Oleo-Saccharum. Yeah, that's good. Sick, man. Okay, we got 6 lemons. All round up. Round up? Yeah, we rounded them up out of the lemon tree. Okay, what we're going to do now is add some sugar. I've got 100% organic, of course it is. Most of my life is organic. White sugar, just granulated sugar. We want 1.25 cups. So 1.25 cups sugar is like 10 ounces, 250 grams, okay? And you want to get in there and just mix it up, all right? Mix it up. Or even better yet, you could get angry and muddle. Whoa, muddle. Go nuts, man. Think of somebody you don't like. Ah! It's not that way at all. Anyway, basically, you just want to incorporate the sugar into the lemon rinds, right? And all you want to do is grab some plastic wrap here and cover it up. Don't you hate plastic wrap? All right. All you want to do is grab some plastic wrap and cover it up. There it is. And just leave it on your counter for 6 to 8 hours. I mean, you can go a little less than that, but I usually leave mine on the counter overnight, and the results are amazing. How amazing, you ask? This is how amazing. Okay, so what I've done here, I pre-prepped so we wouldn't have to sit around waiting for 6 to 8 hours, right? I vacuum sealed it. And actually this was Jeffrey Morgenthaler's idea. Great idea, man. He's a bartender down in Portland. But yeah, he came up with this idea as far as I know. You don't have to put it in a bowl and muddle it all up. You just put it in the bag with your sugar and wait. So you could batch Oleo-Saccharum for future use. This will probably last a good week, 2 weeks in the fridge, vacuum sealed. Anyway, what we want to do next is get some fire going. We got to boil some water here. Now just take a minute. I've got 5 cups of water, clean water, and we're going to bring it to a boil. Okay, we've come to a boil now. Going to turn the stove off here, and we're just going to, that's hot. We're just going to set it on a hot plate here, and we're going to add our mix. We've got our Oleo-Saccharum, and I just got to cut the bag here. Okay, you know, you don't have to vacuum seal it. I just did for the purposes of our show. And like I said too, this would be awesome, an awesome way to batch Oleo-Saccharum. This is a luscious, look at this, oh my God. This is a luscious, luscious sugar oil. Liquid gold. Yeah. In our pot we go. Get it all. See, not all the sugar dissolves. Most of it does, but not all of it. So now, basically, we're just gonna give it a bath. Yeah. You just want to stir until all the sugar is dissolved. Yeah, and I'm there. How fast is that? And what you want to do now is cool this down to room temp. I'll see you then. So all we're going to do now that it's cooled down is we're going to strain all those lemon rinds out of our mix. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at this beauty. Let's get all the goodness. Get all the goodness. And you can get in there with your spoon and just press those lemon rinds. Oh man, if you could smell what I smell, this is just glorious. And you know too, you could use other citrus fruits when making this, just for a variation. You could use, you know, like half lemon, like we've done here, along with half orange, other citruses. Lime, grapefruit would be awesome in this. Grapefruit and lemon to make lemonade? Yeah. Okay, that looks pretty good, man. All right, moving on. All we're going to do now is we're going to take those lemons that we rinded and we're going to press them. Press all the juice through this sieve here. Oh yeah. I'm thinking we need a clock wipe. Down to our last lemon half. Get a lot of juice out of these lemons. Perfect. Okay. Now comes the hard part. We want to pour this into here. Should we do it off camera in case I screw up? Okay. Let's be daring. This is insane. This is wrong. Okay. Yeah, baby. Nice. Here we have the best damn lemonade ever. And you know, what you want to do now is you want to pop it in your fridge for a couple hours, at least a couple hours. Get her nice and cold, because nobody likes warm lemonade. Okay? And next time, here on BarTalk&Cocktails, we're going to make a fabulous cocktail with our homemade lemonade. Or you can drink it as is. I'll see you then. I don't know.
Can you pour?
Well, I can pour it in here.
It's the same.
No, it's easier to pour in here. Actually, you know, okay, I think this might be easier just to pour into our measuring cup. No, it's not. Siphon. That would be funny. Use a siphon. This is absolutely the best damn lemonade you'll ever have. Make some for the hot dog days of summer. In the meantime, check out some of these other summer cocktail videos and hit the subscribe button and, you know, share it with your friends, you know, hit the little bell too. If life gives you lemons, suck it up. Suck it up, Buttercup.